Let us see three simple activities related to friction. Friction, as we know, it is the opposing force between two areas which are in contact with one another. For this activity, I have simple objects placed on the table: a ball, a matchbox, and a mobile phone. The first type of friction is experienced by all three objects, that is static friction. When these three objects are placed on the table, they are not moving at all. However, when they are in contact with the table, there is an opposite force between these three objects and the table. That opposite force is friction, and since these three objects are not moving, there is static friction experienced by these objects. The second type of friction is sliding friction. When this matchbox moves on the table, it slides over the table. This is an example of sliding friction. When this mobile phone is moved on the table, it experiences sliding friction. Now, the thing to be noticed here is that when this mobile moves in this direction, there is an opposite force experienced by this mobile. That opposite force is friction. So when this mobile moves in this direction, there is an opposite force in this direction. So that opposing force is friction. And this in particular is sliding friction. The third type is when one object rolls over the other. The rolling of this ball on the table is an example of rolling friction, and static friction is highest. It is very easy to roll a ball because rolling friction experiences the minimum friction, whereas static friction experiences the highest friction because it has to overcome the inertia of rest. Before moving, it has to overcome the inertia of rest and then start moving. That is why static friction is highest and rolling friction is the least in terms of the three different types of friction.